Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you the difference between frontier AI models through the programs that I created through its help. So over here I created two equivalent games using the same prompts, and this one was done with Google Gemini. And this is a very simple, like Galaga-like game, right? You can see that it works, and it looks pretty decent for a AI generated thing. Alright, now I'm going to show you the exact same game created through Claude. Now, is this one? Yeah. So I don't know if you could tell the difference, but this one's a lot better. And this is why I use Claude. When people ask, like, what the hell's the difference? Why do you use one versus the other? So, Gemini is very useful for general purpose things, but when it comes to programming and writing, just programming in general, Claude is far superior. So yeah, this is a little thing we've created, and I hope you like it, and I hope it helps you understand what the hell's going on right now with AI movement. And if you're curious, feel free to come to my website, chisheu.com. CHISHEU.com, and you could play these games and try it for yourself. All right, good luck. Bye-bye.